In this tutorial, we will describe each element required to complete the setup of your delivery driver business gateway wizard. Please take some time to verify key codes after copy-pasting into the wizard. Start by adding your email address where customers can reach you directly. Now, enter your first and last name for identification to customers. Next, enter your business or personal mobile number where customers can reach you. Excellent. Now enter the business name for your very own encrypted business gateway. For example, Bob's Delivery. Next, begin to enter the address for your business and select the location from Google Maps. This may be revised later inside your gateway as needed. Now, enter the delivery service specialties you want to offer. For example, you may specialize in parcel, meals, and market deliveries. Next, enter the unique attributes your business may offer. For example, you deliver a meal ordered by a family member and offer elderly check-in to let them know their relative is well. Okay, great. Next, for customers to search by local delivery services, select all the services your business offers to customers. Customers can then search for services in your local area to request deliveries. Okay, next, enter your business Facebook page by simply copy-pasting the address. Okay. Now, let's get you paid for your deliveries. Enter your PayPal client ID. Learn how to obtain your PayPal client ID from the Frequently Asked Questions page on rapidgodriver.com. PayPal also requires your PayPal secret key code specific to your business. Learn how to copy-paste that number at the Frequently Asked Questions page at rapidgodriver.com. Stripe is another safe payment method that accepts most credit cards. Enter your Stripe publishable key. Learn how to copy-paste your Stripe publishable key code at the Frequently Asked Questions page. Stripe also requires a Stripe secret key code. Learn how to copy-paste the code at the Frequently Asked Questions page. Good job. We are almost there. Next, select one operating system for your business: Android, iPhone, or Windows PC operating system. For iPhone operating system users, enter your iPhone Unique Device Identification Number, UDID. Learn how to retrieve the number from your iPhone at the Frequently Asked Questions page. And finally, accept the privacy policy and terms of service conditions, and finish by clicking the arrow forward. Congratulations! You will have your personal encrypted business gateway created and a link sent to you within 3 days. Thank you for choosing the finest and most complete delivery driver business system available.